Greetings, greetings. It's Eric Backer. Thanks for coming back. I thought I'd do this quick video, and I've called it 10 things to do before you start any kind of Candida cleanse. This is just 10 pointers which I think may really help you in your quest to get rid of Candida from your body or clean up your body in general, right? So let's go through this list of 10. These are just things that I thought about. I think they may be great mention to you guys. Point number 1, understand it's going to take time, generally a lot more time than you think. Most things in life that are good don't come really quick. They take time. And often we have preconceived ideas about how long we think things are going to take. In that case, don't have preconceived ideas. All right? It always takes longer than you think. And it doesn't have to cost more, but it takes longer time. When you're intelligent, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Let's keep going. Point number 2. Organize your time. You may need time off. If you're really sick or you're not well or you're barely functioning, you're probably already not working. But if you're what I call the walking wounded and you're not feeling well but you keep on working, you may need to take time out from work and organize your time so you can heal yourself. All right? You may have time going on holidays, or you may need to make that decision, stop work for 6 or 12 months, get back on track, get back in the workforce. But it's not really good to keep on working if you feel crappy. All right? Point number 3, get your kitchen and pantry ready. So you may need a kitchen overhaul, a pantry overhaul. Before you start embarking on a good program to get your health back on track, get into your pantry, get a big garbage bag and fill it up with crap. Go to your refrigerator, chuck out all the crap in there that you haven't been looking at for a long time. You need to give the candy away, the ice cream, alcohol, all that stuff needs to go. That's the correct approach. Get it organized before you start the program. Not during or after, but before. All right? Takes the temptation away. Point number 4, always complete a comprehensive stool analysis if you've got a chronic case. So if you haven't been feeling well for a long time, my recommendations are to do a stool test, a comprehensive stool test. You get it through Doctor's Data or Doctor's Data in Chicago or Genova Diagnostics. I think they're in Carolina. So Genova or Doctor's Data, they're one of the 2 of the better labs to go with. So get your homework done before you embark on a test. Your practitioner can help you to organize the test. Sometimes you can organize the test yourself, get the results, work off those results. All right? It always pays to have the correct information before you start embarking on a program. That way you're not flying blind. Point number 5, be prepared for no alcohol, a serious reduction in coffee and tea. Treats are taken out of the diet like candy, chocolate, ice cream, takeaway foods. They're gone. Okay, so be prepared for that. Understand that you're not going to get well if you're drinking, wine every night. It's not going to happen. Point number 6, have no preconceived ideas about what's going on inside your body. Don't make assumptions that you've got Candida when you don't know that for a fact yet. You may have Citrobacter, you may have Pseudomonas, you may have Blastocystis hominis, you may have another bug inside your body. Don't have preconceived ideas. That's a very important point. That's point number 6, don't forget it. If you've done point number 4, you won't have preconceived ideas, because if you've completed the stool test, you will know what's in your gut before you embark on the treatment. That way you won't waste any money or time. Point number 7, don't spend a fortune on dietary supplements. Some people I see spend hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars a month on supplements. They'll get 40 or 50 supplements. You just need a few carefully selected high quality products. That's all you need. Trust me on this one. I worked in this field a long time. I've seen so many people waste money on supplements. It's crazy. Money they could have spent on a holiday, on a vacation with their family, all sorts of things. Point number 8, common sense. If it sounds too good to be true, it nearly always is. Many websites come across with the C word. We can cure you in 2 days. All this sort of junk. Our products will cure you instantly of erectile dysfunction, balding, anal leakage. We'll cure everything with this pill. Go away. You know what I mean? When you see that kind of crap, turn it off. There's a lot of silly people out there. If I'm silly, let me know. All right? Point number 9. Understand that you are best to focus on your health, not on your Candida. Think carefully about that. Don't think of something in your tummy or your gut or whatever that needs eradicating. Think of your overall health. Think of how much sleep you're having. Think of how much you're stressing. Think of how much you hate your job. Think of all these other things that you're not thinking about because all you're thinking about is the primary problem. That could be your problem. You're thinking too much about it, all right? So understand not to focus on disease, okay? Don't become a disease mongerer, become a health conscious person. That's why I can't understand why in medicine, they call it the healthcare system. They don't care about your health. They care about your sickness. It should be the sickness maintenance system because they maintain sickness with pharmaceuticals. You're not going to maintain sickness. You're going to focus on optimal health and well-being. Don't focus on disease. Always focus on success and health. That way you'll pull out of it a lot faster. Point number 10, reward yourself. Go on a holiday or take time off. Especially if you've picked up and you're feeling really good, you need to reward yourself. We're often told in business if we succeed that we should reward ourselves. But what about in life, in health, if we succeed? Shouldn't we reward ourselves as well? I think we should. Now think about these 10 points. These are very good and valid, basic, simple points. If you follow them, it's going to help you achieve your health goals a lot faster than if you don't follow them. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, thanks for watching.